Hey traders, welcome to episode 350 of the show on Saturday. Not many people are thinking about crypto much these days, or especially on the weekends, right? But still going to be here just to give you a little update. Figured why not just slow it down a little bit and take a look at the daily, whatever, man. Still that downsloping channel, but maybe, just maybe, we could be in the midst of making some sort of triangle, right? A little bit of price contraction that we know, but really in order for this to be a confirmed reaction low, really, according to Bulkowski, we need to run up and touch the top trend line of the downsloping resistance. Okay, because right now, you technically only have one confirmed reaction low. Okay, so that's it, man. That's it. You hit this bottom, you ran up, you don't even know you have a triangle this time until you pivot at the 786 and bump to the upside. But again, you gotta have a confirmed finished touch point on the top end to make this real as a reaction low. Okay, that's just the rules, man. Just talking about the rules of triangles and stuff so people don't get wrecked. Okay, so might not even be a triangle, but it's worth looking at and talking about the potential pattern, right? Because everything's potential until they play out, right? Inverse head and shoulders, they're only potential patterns until the necklines break, and then you get confirmation that it's a true pattern. So you get it, right? What's that? Okay, we're good. So in the shorter term, really, for Bitcoin on the daily, we're just failing to break above the 50-day moving average. We continuously keep using it as a resistance point. We can't break it, man. All right, but hopefully, the reason why is because we're just consolidating, resetting our oscillator on faster time scales, like the 4-hour, 60-minute, which we know on those time scales we've reset the RSI completely. We're back down to like 50. We're kind of near where we are on the daily. So if Bitcoin wanted to run again, I mean, there's just so much room we could get to. But geez, dude, you can talk about reality here on a daily time scale RSI. We have not exceeded 58 on the RSI since like September 3rd. But really, that all we did was run up to like 64. The last time we actually got overbought on Bitcoin was in late July of 2018. That was the top of. That was like the run we had, right? It was the inverse head and shoulders, right? The quintuple MACD bullish divergence. Then we formed the inverse head and shoulder potential pattern, and then we just exploded up. And then for like a month or something, like a few weeks. And then at the end of July, we got overbought. But I mean, it's been so long since we've even been above 70, man. Like we haven't even 65, dude. Like 6 months plus. So it's just been a long time, man, right? Things have just been bearish, selling off. I mean, dude, 50% of your value gone in 5 weeks. Okay, hopefully there's a retrace relief rally coming soon, right? That would just make sense, right? Where you go from high point to low point, 38%, 50%, 62% of the way. All right, at least back test old areas, right? Old areas back here. Remember 5,000? We didn't remember it at all on the way down in mid-November. But maybe we'll remember it on the way up. Use those resistance. People get really good opportunities to short. Look at the 200-day moving averages up here at 52.28. That's how fast we broke down. The 200 is still just so far away. I mean, it just seems like there is room to make a nice common retrace to get great areas of value for good short opportunities on Bitcoin. But right now, the short opportunities are few and far between on significant time scales. There's high risk down here to short, very high risk. Okay, so you actually probably have a lower risk on longs down here at these spots. Okay, just because of the extreme price action we got so fast. Okay, so think about it. Like if we ever were able to get up and find demand, I mean, there's just very little resistance upon us, right? Like above us. There's just not much. Okay, so we'll see, man. We'll see what happens if we can end up maybe trying to get back to areas that were once support. Maybe we could use them as resistance. Okay, so that's it, man. On your daily time scale, just wanted to throw it out, give you an update. Okay, so a little chat. So Matt Inman, Ogsd, Matrix M, 1G Project. Bill Centura, what is 47? Anthony Rosano, hello. Rasmus, Mr. Spooner. Hey, Moss. Ooh, Jeremy S. Dude, what's up, man? Crypto Cracker. Beeswaxers, yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just dealing with bullcrap personal stuff, man. Never fun, right? No one ever likes that. Hey, Spiracy. Tomley UL. Bacardi, man, what's up, dude? Hey, Melissa. Good to see ya. Hope you and Dan are doing well up in Iowa. Adron K. Robert A. Igno. New Day, same story. Yeah, man. What's up, Graham Dougherty? Can I use the top X for my cipher? What you talking about, homie? Top X on my cipher? I don't understand. Top X on my cipher. 4412. What about it? For your next target? I don't know, Critical, are you saying like that should be a target or something, like a resistance? I mean, like, I don't know what you're saying. Overhead resistance is that. That's like your ultimate overhead resistance up there. Of this whole structure. Okay. So if we broke out, that'd be critical areas of resistance. That would definitely be a profit-taking area up there at 44.25 if we ever broke out of this down-slipping resistance. Yeah, that'd be one target. For sure. But we already have multiple other targets. We talked about the Gartley. One being slightly above A, very close to X. Very close to X. What's up, King Logan here? Yeah, what's up, dude? And hello, Billy Man. Alright, okay, so that was your daily review, analysis. We haven't done in a second, so it's the weekend. Whatever, weekends are slow, so we'll be slow in the time scale. Oh, looky here, man. Sorry, just can't do it, man. We kept making the adjustments, the wicks, containing it all, and there you go. Multiple areas of rejection, now bearishly engulfing with 42 minutes left on the daily time scale. And the 4-hour time scale. Alright, so selling off some on low volume, whatever. Bouncing off the 20 moving average. Just kind of, you know, 20 bearishly crossed over at your 50. So, yeah, if we could see 3,500 again down here, hey, man, that would be nothing wrong with that. That's 50% retrace from a low point to high point. Nothing wrong. Okay? I mean, that's like probably more optimum than what we got. We got close to it, but we never touched it. Nor did we touch the 200 moving average as support. All we did was touch the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, and we started developing this, you know, these 1 and 2 anchor points to give us a pennant or wedge, whatever, doesn't matter, just a bullish consolidation pattern. If you want to, I mean, look, man, anytime you have an impulse up and you downslip with your consolidation, that is bullish behavior. Okay, that is the proper way to consolidate before moving up again. So, yeah, Ethereum hadn't been doing that, right? So we can just look at Ethereum first before Ripple, doesn't matter. There you go. At least you were holding this upslipping support, I guess, it seems, right? So, well, we're outside, man. We're outside of the channel that's been very, very well respected. The finish at the double bottom was the end of it. But here, man, like receding volume on higher prices, not really a good thing, man. Not what you want to see. That's not healthy. It's not proper consolidation at all. So, you know, there could be, I mean, you know, I don't know if the broadening top is even valid, man. I mean, you kind of the touches, you don't really have the touches you need. Okay, crazy enough on Ethereum, we're above all 3 moving averages, 250 and 20, but still from your highest point to your lowest point, we've retraced 38% of the way, just like Bitcoin has. And here we go, man. You want to look at this as some sort of, I mean, you know, the 382 being the horizontal line resistance, and you have upslipping support. Is it an ascending triangle, man? Is it an ascending triangle? Could be, man. Alright. But anyway, if you were to break the upside, I'm sure measured moves would put you up at like 136, 137. Breaking down is probably going to put you, you know, down to 115 or so. Okay, so just small amount of consolidation going on. It's all upslipping. It's not really good. It's not like how you get accumulation or you get areas of value to continue your long position on Ethereum. So, but again, like, You move up, you do this crap, you move up again, you do the same crap, you move up again. That's what gives you a rising wedge. That kind of price action. So, we'll see how it goes, man. I can guarantee you if Bitcoin dumps, where do you think Ethereum's going? In the toilet with Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes to the upside, Ethereum's going to heaven with it. Okay, great. Hey, Spock Talk, man. Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. What's up about Matrix M? Toilet brush, hello. Yeah, this is live, I guess, King Logan, dude. I guess. You're wondering if that's forming a consolidation power? Yeah, dude. VeChain looks very interesting, man. Very interesting looking chart that looks possibly primed or poised to break to the upside. But again, it very well could. It's just because it's at those resistance levels. I think it broke it today. We'll look at it again in a second. It's the first thing on the list. You're the only one that I've seen that's requested anything so far. So, Mr. Cool Dad E, where you been, man? I hope you're hanging in there, doing well, dude. All right. Hey, Herbert, dude. Good to see you. Hey, Skyward, man. You're still working? Just keep on working, man. Keep grinding. Hopefully, if you're watching the stream, I make it a little bit more, you know, tolerable, that work, that grind. All right. So many alts prime for a big move. Hope Bitcoin moves up. Stand by for Monday. Yeah, Peter Walker. We'll see, man. We'll see. I don't know, dude. Some have already done well, right? So, some are already doing well. Some have been doing well. I mean, you got small instances like Link. I think there was another one, ARN or something. There's a couple of them that they've been moving up since like August, September, right, on Bitcoin Bear. Now BNB is exploding up. It's been doing incredible wealth testing all-time highs. Kind of broke it, didn't like hold prices or anything, but yeah. Okay, Cryptogar, I don't know, man. Maybe that's still. It doesn't really matter, dude. Like, you can include that or not. That's why I have the channel. Like, right, I have the channel, and I have a low point to a high point where I started from the bottom. I started on the top, right? So it's not going to make too much of a difference, really, right? Because you have enough reaction highs, but reaction lows, though, again, we need confirmation by touching the top point. Okay, remember, a reaction low, and I think maybe, like, if people weren't getting me on this, like, a reaction low, like, say you hit the bottom of the triangle. It's not even a triangle right now, right? And say you run to the top, okay, and then you dump. So you don't even know. You just have like a, you know, like a swing low and a swing high here, right? So you hit this bottom. It's not even a reaction low yet. It has to come back up to touch the top. Now it's confirmed. It is confirmed to be a reaction low. Okay, so now the fact that you got that, you can clearly see you've got two confirmed reaction lows. All right, you break down, and this isn't a reaction high yet. This is not a reaction high until you hit the bottom. All right, we hit the bottom. All right, so now we know we have a confirmed reaction high. That's how you really know. They have to like do their thing, and then they have to run up to the other part of the pattern and touch it for real to get like a real pattern. All right, so now you got two reaction lows. Now really almost three, right? You got like 2.5. And if you came back up like this to touch, then you have three reaction highs, right? Now it's confirmed when you touch this top trend line again. All right, that's Bulkowski. It's like meticulous stuff, man. I don't know, there are rules. Dude, what is happening? I can't. I should just Control-Z all this, but I'm just deleting it manually, whatever. Like a scrub. So yeah, man, sure, dude, you can include that if you want, but again, I've got that equidistant channel that is down sloping that give me all those touch points either way, right? So it's almost like semantics, whatever. Yeah, that'd be nice, man. 3,500 would be a great area. 50% retrace from low point to high point. That'd be great. I'm cool with it. I'm down with it. What's What's up, Dan, man? See here? I didn't see you. Did not see Bones 420, did. So Randy Schulz. 1G Project Man. Spock Talk, man. Thanks again for not only subbing but chiming in chat. Thanks, dude. Welcome. Welcome, dude. What's up, Rocksteady, dude? OMG doing things. Hey, we were talking about yesterday. OMG to US dollar. Phil, dude, remember we posted that chart? All right, ONT. Yeah, that thing was doing great yesterday. We actually opened the show up on the day stream with ONT, right? What's up, Mac Daddy? James Scanner, hello, man. Yeah, I'll put on the list. Alright, got a few. Alright, let's go to Ripple and then we'll go. Yeah, XRP, man. Just a lot of critical stuff going on with XRP, despite what people might believe, right? I mean, just, dude, like, I just think about it, man. You just got this, like, downsloping channel here, right? You know, the red line and teal line. This is your 50%, your heart line, your 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. You're squeezed there, right? And you're also squeezed with an upsloping support. And, man, you just, if you don't hold this area, 28 cents, easy 25 cents, like, no problem, man. So you're hoping for the falling wedge breakout to not fail. You're hoping for it to make those targets that we need, which are between 35 cents and 39.7 cents. Symmetrical triangles, measured move. My God, you know, it's either 24 cents or 36.7 cents. So, but dude, here we are, man. Like, this triangle here, I mean, dude, you're at like 90+% of maturation, the apex, whatever, of the triangle, right, where they meet, the two lines meet. Okay, so we're just whatever, man. We keep respecting the downsloping resistance. We haven't touched the downsloping or the upsloping support since February 8th, so probably soon going to be happening. Okay, so anyway, man, whatever. I want to zoom out a little bit. We can. There you go. Beautiful, well-respected downsloping channel at critical areas of horizontal line support. There it is, dude. There it is. It's a bunch of it back from 2017, August 2017, you know, October, November 2017. All this chop back here, June of 2017, right? So just a lot of it. You better hold. Seriously. Okay, man. Yeah, it is, dude. It freaking is, man. Alright. V-chain to BTC. Man, we can look at the US dollar pair too. But look, man, this is what I'm talking about with Momo Shift, dude. Your Momo Shift. Look, we didn't even hit an 88.6% retrace. We went like, I think that was 105. We hit like 106, or maybe it was 104, 88. But you were right around that 78% retrace. We said, hey, if you're looking for a higher low than this low right here from January 7th, man, if you can get the higher low, that very well could be dictating a momentum shift on VET. Okay.
Crypto KI the RSA from the Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. Mitch Nathaniel Ray TA outright. Could you look at storage, please? Thanks, man.
Sure,
Don't be
dude.
like he kicked out before the big run. 589.
Thanks, Pete Best, dude, for the 589, dude. Much love. I need to change that variation to Ripple or XRP or something. We should just do the old XRP logo, the fidget spinner, just to make it a meme, make it funny, you know, change it up. You know, it's to poke fun a little bit. But yeah, man, we can storage. Been a while. All right, we'll finish up on you know, V-chain, and then we will we'll go to storage. Thanks, man. Much love. All right, so there you go, dude. we're gonna fib here. We're gonna fib and see. Jesus. PBS is like one of those. Oh my God, man. It's one of those OTCs, right? Keep going. Give me a sec. You're gonna be freaking out about this. Okay, so this could be, I mean, not really inverse head and shoulders anymore, like oblong left and right shoulder, but double head possibly, the double bottom. You're just looking for us, even if we make a lower high here, you're looking for a higher low over here. Okay, if you can keep doing that, man, that's just testament to the shift, the accumulation, people owning more than they did before. Look where we bounced, man. August 13th, double bottomed. Okay, great news, man. We were in a downtrend that started in September, early September 2018. We've finally broken out, and we're finally starting to make higher lows, shifting our momentum somewhat. All right, so this could be some sort of potential complex inverse head and shoulders, maybe. But again, you got to get way more price action than you're getting right now. But congratulations on, I think, a short-term breakout. We looked at this last night. None of my stuff saved. It just looked like it was a falling wedge. We had some targets. All right, some sort of potential. What? Look, you had two converging down-sloping trend lines. All right. Okay, so anyway, we just fibbed it from the high point to low point. All right, you're very close to those targets. All right, let me look for this real quick. Okay, hold on. There we go, man. This is it right here. All right, so we sat at like a 50% retrace. 117 sats was your first target. And then 119 sats was your 618 secondary target, where we were yesterday at that 236 at 111 sats. Okay, so I mean, it's just kind of a shorter term way of looking at this. The way with the impulse up, the wedge, the 78% retrace, and there you go, man. Just bouncing. Look, we had what is this, man? You had a low. You had the same low. You had higher levels of relative strength, right? So you had some RSI bullish divergence was there. Oh, here we are, man. I don't know why I didn't save. It's just stupid sometimes. When I use this other screen, it's just dumb. So, anyway, you're almost there. You're above the 200 MA on the 4-hour. So let's see if we can just keep this Momo shift going, man, on a breakout. The breakout that occurred in December, mid-December 2018. All right, VeChain doing things. Okay, man. Great. Cool story, bro. Right. All right, here's storage, man. Here's your storage. You wanted storage, you got storage. We had a downsloping channel. Oh, very beautiful, man. Very good looking downsloping channel. Let's try to get this pinpoint here. Oh, look at the touch points on the bottom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 on the bottom. Just 1 on the top, really, maybe 2. But either way, look. I mean, look at the 25% respect, the heart line respect as a resistance, as a support, as a resistance. 25 support, 75 resistance. Come on, man. It's like perfect. All right, but you know, that's one way to look at it when we're talking about the trend. But here you could be Wyckoffing hard. Okay, Wyckoff sexually. Like, man, you got like critical support zone. I mean, you've got like resistance up here. That could have been like the, you know, the area to buy. One could have sold here, but you'd have missed out on so much profit because it just kept going like crazy, just pumping. I don't know if storage is involved with Telegram groups, but I can guarantee you storage, it doesn't have anything to do with them making revenue or profit. What's going on? Why is storage doing it? Does anyone have an answer, or is it just like these mysterious Telegram groups that are just pumping, dumping, right? So, dude, good luck. Good luck FOMOing into this. This thing is outside, all right? Just like here, like a pump and dump. This is a clear pump and dump, right? It's doing the same thing right now at a critical area of downsloping resistance. That's it. Okay. That's what happened. So you just got like, here it is, man. Crazy, dude. So sideways, down sloping, whatever way you want to look at it, it's nice. But we've mooned. We are on the moon. Highest level of RSI we've seen since ever. Never seen on a 4-hour like this. We've never seen 93.5. Okay, never been that ever bought. Haven't seen a positive momentum spike like that since January of 2018. Okay, so a year ago, over a year ago, we haven't seen positive momentum so high on storage. Your, what is it, your storage, your decentralized storage, blockchain tech or something like that, right? So all right, Pete Best, there you go, man. Hey, Randy Schulz. Natek, didn't you bring up gold a week ago? Didn't I bring up gold like 4 months ago? Whatever. How about the BCN logo? We would have to, dude, that's like, it's a black logo. We would have to manipulate what it looks like. It doesn't even deserve that, does it, man? Really, dude? Nice, I'm glad to see your internet's working, Mr. Kanatembo, dude. Dirty Fergie, if Garlinghouse mysteriously dies, JP Morgan did it. Maybe did. Probably. What's up, Fergus Games, man? Good to see you again, Yar. Storage Wars Worlds. Yeah, no news. The Pumpy Dumpy Telegram group, they're going again. They're like, hey man, this one worked out pretty well. Let's just use the same S coin. Alright, man. Cool. Zilliqa beginning to turn around a little bit, right? Yeah, we discussed it. I know that Melissa and Dan were looking at this one. We fell a little bit below that support, but still had the divergence on the RSI and popped a little bit. Just all right. Let's go to Zilliqa real quick. Okay, Zill. I know we've been looking at it on a daily time scale, whatever, but you're kind of bound, right, between like a range that goes as low as 351 sats all the way up to a high of like 690 sats. So like, you know, down the bottom to the high point, you're almost like gaining, you're almost doubling up, right? So in the dead middle right now at a golden retrace with that RSI bullish divergence, and we popped, right? We popped, but we had no real structure of consolidation, right? It was just kind of selling off, and then it broke maybe a downsloping resistance of some sort, and sideways broke the upside, but it's really not gone anywhere on pretty low volume. Great news though, man. Nice little bullish engulfing candle. Hasn't manifested into anything yet. Okay. So anyway, if you were to have a bearish crab pattern, right, X, A, B, C, D, and we sold off 382, 618, targets hit. Both targets hit on any kind of harmonic here. All right. The only weird thing about the crab pattern, it did not hit a 1618. I think it hit 141% retrace up here, so up one node off. That happens though. That'll happen with these harmonics. Sometimes they don't make it all the way to their target for you to short, right? But that would have been it up there. Anyway, okay, dude. Zilliqa. Run on the upside. I don't know, man. We don't even know if it's a swing low yet, okay? This could just crap out, make a lower high than the previous high, and just continue selling off, all right? So we just don't know. Don't know yet. Kind of holding support here. You're actually using this as resistance, right? 42 support resistance here. If you couldn't hold that, you were going to easily come all the way down to like 384, maybe even 348. Zilliqa, dude. bad, dude. Not bad. I haven't looked at OMG to BTC in a second, but we did look at OMG to US dollar. So it's very interesting. Now look at this, man. Look how well established this downsloping channel has been. You got to be proud of that, man. You got to love a beautifully respected channel. Look at the heart line support we've been getting on the way down. But look what finally happened. Look what happened on the way down. 1, 2, 3, triple RSI, bullish divergence. Nice. You know, kind of, not really, because you had this low and then this low is a higher level of negative momentum, so kind of convergence. So either way, man, it's nice, dude. Look, you broke to the upside somewhat, you made a higher low and then ran, and you broke to the upside. So look, you're soon approaching a very critical downsloping resistance, okay, from a high point to, well, it's really from the low point to high point. We got our fib extensions and we reversed our price action right around that 1272. Okay, so if we reverse there at the 1272, congratulations on the fib extensions for helping us out so much. But now we could take a kind of discernible swing high. It makes the most sense right here, just from this high point inside the channel to the low point. You have not even hit a 38% retrace, 354 sats. All right, so maybe we could see that. It's pretty close to that downslipping resistance. Fill, man. All right. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. Someone could argue and say a couple other things. I don't know, man. Let me just mess around here. Look at this high point here. Sit down here. So if you do it like that, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, hold on. Just hold the phone. I'm going to do this on the daily, where you can only see these trend lines on the daily. Then we're going to zoom out. All right, fill, man. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So like 6 touch points total. That's a valid wedge, man. That's like the touch points you need for anything valid of a wedge. So you did have some sort of downsloping converging price action, did you not? And we're just now starting to break out, but here you go, man. That's why zooming out is pretty important. You're hitting some sort of resistance. It's a 50-day moving average on OMG. There you go, man. All right. Look what's going on here, you know, like, let's see, you get a little bit of MACD bullish divergence, the short term, right, like a low here, your lower lows, nice. Hey, when they're skinny like that, that's what she said. Get rid of these real quick. Alright, so if you're looking like this, if there was some sort of real breakout, which I don't know, man, it could very well just sell off in the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes, right? But, dude, if you're really looking at this, man, your major fib, high to low, if it was the low, you've got a long way to go. I mean, dude, 387 is probably the only way you even know you've made a major swing low, discernible swing low. All right, so you would expect if this did work out, okay, and I'm not saying it is, but if it was to work out, your target zone, your target range is the golden zone between 444 cents, repeating of course, and 536 cents. It's the only way to look at this, okay. guess you could extend this out a little bit more. Right? Whatever, dude. Even better. Great, man. That's like 7 touch points total on this pattern. 1272. Go, man. What you thinking, dude? What you thinking? Storage up 104%. Wreck, Billy. I don't know, Crypto or Captain Happy, man. What's it gonna do to the U.S. dollar? Because if the U.S. dollar dumps, there's a good chance Bitcoin would inverse correlate that and move the upside. Okay. Hey, Sarah Bell. Good to see you. I'd like a confirmed candle close above the trend line before even talking about a back test, right, Phil? So we can't back test without a confirmed breakout, and a confirmed breakout requires a candle close. And we're at the daily, so we've got about 13 minutes until that daily close. So we don't even know, man. This thing could sell off. Do you how many times we've seen, like, towards the end of the day, that 10 minutes before that daily close, we'll see something like this and it'll just pull back real fast and then close below the trend line that is the resistance? Man, I've seen that countless times. So confirmation, candle close confirmation is very important. Okay.
Thanks for this Saturday day stream. Could you look at gold mon?
Sure, man. Sure, I'll look at gold, dude. Set up an alert or something. Alright, OMG to BTC. Let's be kings, man. Let's be kings. Okay, gold continuing to move to the upside. Whoa, oh, come on, dude. Don't do that to me. Now I'm gonna have to save and hold on. It's when those bugs out, you can't scale anymore. Like sometimes it like breaks. Let me hit F5 real quick. Why would they not be saved? I just saved. Saved. Look, it says saved. So anyway, what's going on? Gold continue to pump. 78% retrace. This is where we are. High to low. 78% retrace. But oops. Thought I caught that. Gold though. What do you think people are doing? People are de-risking. Okay. They've been continuing to de-risk for the past couple of years now. Everyone knows who has money, that is smart, has any idea how market cycles work, they all come to an end at some point. So people have been accumulating for years. They have been accumulating for years, and how do we know that? We see the higher lows. That's accumulation. That's real life. Okay. But yeah, man. Complex inverse head and shoulders, potentially, right? And a measure move up here. 1655, but the first area, if you ever broke this neckline, first area resistance is going to be like 1525. And I was talking to Larley about this, and it's like, yeah, man, like, I don't know how we could hit the measure move with all this resistance. He just says, hey, man, well, think about it, you know, like the FOMO, right? A FOMO run on gold could happen on a breakout, right? People are like, let me get in on this. I don't want to miss out. It'll be like crypto all over again, but for gold, right? Okay, because it's just going straight up, man. It's not stopping, and people just keep buying. More and more people keep buying because maybe Brexit or maybe some stupid global thing happens, right? Where people freak out. Okay, and gold's already running, so there you go, beeswaxers, man. Still running up, still making it. Okay, that neckline's around 1358 or something. Oh my god. Hey, it's P3D Shillers again. Alright, get wrecked. Get wrecked. Dude, can you believe the P3D D pumpers are still here, man. I thought they died out with all the other scrub coins. I guess they're still paying people. They got people on the marketing payroll. So what we'll do now is just look at ONT, which was like a top performer yesterday, top 100 anyway. You know, market cap coins. So look, you broke the downsloping resistance, right? What happened? You just went sideways, kind of sold off, and when you sold off a little bit, you made higher lows than your previous lows, found some sort of support on the inside, an inner range, right? Just right here. And you broke the other side, right? It was a resistance twice, okay? So you're still inside the zone, the range-bound zone, and you've sold off. You've sold off. You never quite hit that 100% touch, right? Before dumping, a lot of volume came in. That's great, man. Great news, but nothing really that special. Hey, I get it. The higher lows are great here, man. But I wouldn't go as far as calling this any kind of triangle or anything, right? Because you just have, I mean, look, you do 1 and 2 here, right? Maybe, and see what happens if we could, you know, I don't know, try to use that as some support, dude. But that might be reaching. I mean, like, what do you say, man? Is this the touch point, man? Is this it, dude? Is this the high point, really? Maybe, dude. But we don't know yet. We got to touch the bottom again to get a confirmed reaction high. Remember, this thing hit this top, and we can't confirm this as a reaction high until it hits the bottom again, okay? So, whatever, man. So let's just do it like this, okay? Have it there just to see what happens with it, right? Okay, good luck. Good luck, ONT. Change colors here. You got a little bit more visible. Okay. See how it goes, dude. See how it goes. Okay. Got like 7 minutes, 6 minutes till the daily closes on Bitcoin. I guess we'll just go to it and wrap it up. Just like whatever, man. I don't feel good. And just dealing with bull crap. So stupid, man. Like, unbelievable. Alright. There you go, dude. Nothing's changed. Alright. Nothing's changed. Just inside the pennant wedge consolidation pattern. Either way. Alright. I feel like sick, man. Okay. We'll see, man. Measure move. I don't know. We had it plotted, but not anymore. Maybe it's in the 60-minute only. No, it's not even, dude. It's not even on 60-minute.
Is that a joint?
Hey Ray, how are you? I will appreciate your thoughts on link/BTC. THNX so much for all your great work, smile.
Hey Sandra, thank you so much for the 420 contribution. Yeah, sure, we'll look at that. No problem. We got a couple minutes. Thank you again. Let's take a peek at it. Whatever. Here you go. Or warm on. Here you go. Making adjustments here. 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the top. Okay. Just kind of looking at it like this. Still inside the channel, right? Still, but like you're below the 200 moving average. You just had a death cross in the 4 hour on the 4th of February. Look at the divergence you saw before dumping. Interesting though, right? Very interesting. 62% retrace. But from this low point though. Wow, dude. There's 70% retrace from this low to high. And since then we've just been going sideways. Might be getting ready to run to the upside again. Okay, you just, dude, you're making higher lows over and over and over. And you're in an uptrend right now. Okay. I don't know what you're touching right now. It doesn't make sense to me, like why you're just, I mean, I guess you're using that 25 as resistance, can't sustain prices above and you fall below it. So maybe we'll get lucky and see 11,639 before launching off again. But look, I mean, this trend this is one of those that's been going on, dude. The bottom was like July of 2018. July of 2018, the falling wedge is how it all started, man. All right, falling wedge on Lincoln. Look where we've gone. Way more than a measured move, huh? I think from a high point to low point, we've hit a 1618 all the way up here. It's just beautiful, man. All right. So Sandra's still uptrending, still inside the channel. It's great news. Thanks for this Canto, man. There you go, Sandra. 1 minute left till the daily close. So we're just gonna go back to Bitcoin real quick. Finish it up. Okay, so we zoomed in on the consolidation pattern, hitting the top and failing. Okay, bearish engulfing candle. Probably gonna see some lower prices this weekend, hopefully, right? Most likely. Okay. I would always feel better if we pump during the week, because we know maybe trading desks are behind it, moving it up, and it's not just this low volume scrub crap. Okay, that's gonna crap out before we even make a higher high, right? So good to see that we're still consolidating. Okay, anyway. 35 seconds. Okay. That's it, man. Wish I was feeling better. I'm just not feeling hot today, man. Just feeling like off, like really off. Okay, new day has begun officially. New 4-hour candle has begun officially. So as you would expect on the weekend, nothing crazy at all, right? Still below the 20 moving average, all right? So just keep your eye on it, have your alert set up. If we do break it, whatever, that's great. We'll see if we can get some volume on it, but don't count on it on the weekend, all right? So Billy Man, Sandra, and the Beeswaxers, thank you all for the contributions for the stream today. I'll be back tonight sometime, 11 Eastern, whatever. So until next time, respect the TA.